Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome students of year 8. This is your lesson overview for week 4 period 2. Let's begin with a knowledge recall. So speedos, recite 3 verses starting from verse 55 of Surat Yasin. Runners, recite 3 verses starting from verse 62 of Surat Yasin. And flyers, recite 3 verses starting from verse 65 of Surat Yasin. Click on the green plus sign and complete your recitations. We are continuing with our topic, The Path to Paradise, Surat Yasin, verses 55 to 68. Our learning objective for today is to analyze the overall meaning of verses 55 to 68 of Surat Yasin. In order to achieve this learning objective, that is, you should be able to discuss the understood meaning of verses 55 to 58 of Surat Yasin if you belong to the bronze level. Discuss the understood meaning of verses 59 to 64 of Surat Yasin if you belong to the silver level. Discuss the understood meaning of verses 65 to 68 of Surat Yasin if you belong to the gold level. So in order to achieve the learning objective, these are the steps that you will follow. You will go on to assignments, click on select Y8U5L1 activity 2 and follow the instructions. This is how your activity worksheets will look like. Answer the questions and turn in your assignments. If you have followed all these steps correctly, you would have achieved the learning objective. Then we head over to the Collaborate board on Nearpod and write down in our own words whatever we have learned. Remember that this step is very important because it is here that each one of you shares your learning with the others. And that's the end. Jazakumullahu khairan wa barakallahu feekum. So head over now, students, to your assignments titled Y8U5L1 P2 slides and follow the step-by-step instructions. Thanks a lot.